The honest truth about using AI for your professional photography culling. So culling is basically selecting the best photo from like a bunch of photos. So let's say you clicked like 100 photos. To manually go through all of the photo each individually takes a lot of time. So culling basically automatically selects which is the best photo you have. Now to do this on your Culling AI app, you need to click on create album and import all of your images. Once you import all of your images and create an album like this, you can open the album. And inside of album, just click on cull at the top. Once you click on cull, click on start AI culling over here at the side. Once you do that, this thing will open up. Once this thing opens up, click on customize. Over here, make sure duplicate images to be deleted is on, and like if any image has like too high highlights and is way too bright, it's going to remove that as well. So turn this on. And if your image is blurry, you want it to be removed, make sure to turn it on and choose like, how much of a blurry image you want. If you want like, light blurry image to be okay, click on moderate. If you want light blurry image to be removed as well, click on strict. Once you do that, click on start cull. It's going to go through all of the album and select the best image. If you had to do it manually, it's going to take you hours, but because of this app, it does it automatically within just minutes. That's why AI is really necessary for professional photographers to use it on their work. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.